Hello, so this is my presentation and I'll start showing the template. This is the template page and here I have the home page, and here you can see the header, the navigation, and all the features to the footer. And then here's a different size, mobile size for the same page. Now we have the validation of the HTML. This is for the home page with no errors, and then CSS, no errors, and the HTML for the template page. And here I show an example of the contrast radio. Then I changed the darker color to this one so it gets a good contrast. And that's pretty much it.